How to make a Telegram account without number. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to guide you how you can make a Telegram account without a number, so make sure to watch the video till the very end. Now, making Telegram account without number is very simple. First of all, you need to go ahead and then open the Telegram app. You can see right when you open the Telegram app, the very first thing it asks me to do is to enter my phone number, and there is no option to create an account using email. So you can't create a Telegram account without a number. But do not worry, what you can do is, if you don't have a real phone number, there are some virtual phone numbers available. Now, unfortunately, I can't discuss all of them. They're completely legal, by the way. Some of them are free, some of them are paid. You can simply search them in Google, or I'll make sure to drop a few links below. You can use a virtual phone number where you can also get the SMS verification code if it asks you to. Then once you verify it, you'll be able to log into Telegram. That's all it takes to go ahead and then make a Telegram account without phone number. Bottom line is you can't, but you can create it using a virtual number if you don't have a real phone number. Hope this video helped you. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thank you for watching and see you soon in the next video.